Hello and welcome to my review of Hotel 41. This is, in my opinion, one of the very best hotels in London today. This 5-star hotel is part of the award-winning Red Carnation Group. The reception is via a private lift next to the Reuben Hotel, which the group also owns. Here is the reception and dining area, where the excellent staff will welcome you with a complimentary drink while they check you in. This is the snack area, which is always open for guests and is changed depending on the time of day. And here we have the lovely terraced roof garden. The square building in front of us is the Royal Mews, and all those trees are part of Buckingham Palace Gardens. This beach hut provides suntan lotion and sunglasses, just in case you spend too long up here on a summer's day. The owners of the Red Carnation Group are from South Africa, and you can see little touches around that reflect this. These panels on the table are linked to the bar area. With a press of the button, a member of staff will come and take your order. There's even a button on there to duplicate your last order, which could be very dangerous. You may notice a few bees flying around here. That's mainly because of these beehives and all of the lavender that the hotel's planted around the terrace. I'm sure the fresh honey is very well used in the kitchens. As you can see, Hotel 41 has only 26 rooms and 2 suites, with each room being quite unique. And this is my room 4117. All the rooms are very elegantly designed, with a signature black and white theme. I really love the quirkiness of my room. The areas feel very separated, even though it's one large space. This has got to be one of the fastest filling baths I've ever seen. I think it filled in less than a minute. for something to eat. The dine-in options are excellent, but I do recommend trying either the bee bar attached to the hotel for a South African twist, or trying the Reuben for that special occasion. I absolutely loved my stay at Hotel 41 and would say it's still one of the very best hotels in London. If you ever get the chance of staying here, I would heartily recommend it.